Hi, I'm Brian and I head up TriMech's project engineering group. A lot of people think that we sell just software and hardware solutions, but here at TriMech, we strive to be the go-to engineering resource for our clients. One of the ways we provide this is through our engineering services department. Our team consists of full-time project engineers. They have a variety of knowledge within the mechanical engineering and design fields, acquired from years of experience, both within TriMech and industry careers. Our capabilities range from basic CAD design and modeling projects to high-level FEA and CFD analysis services, all using TriMech partner products, including SolidWorks' suite of tools, Stratasys 3D printers, and Artec 3D scanners. Don't have the necessary resource to finish up a design project? Need some extra expertise on a specific client request? Give us a call. We'll work with you as a temporary engineering team to support your needs. We try to take the hassle out of outsourcing engineering by managing the process and personnel internally. To get started, send us your project requirements and guidelines. After some conversation to understand your visions and goals, we will develop a plan to achieve them within the desired timeline. So just remember, when you don't have the internal manpower, expertise, time, or technology required to complete a project, TriMech is your go-to engineering resource.